Okay, started and welcome to this channel. Once again, this is Love from, as we have it there, Closer Tutorial, right? You're very welcome. Okay, I'm excited to be talking to you today. Now, there's something that's very important that I want you to do. I want you to do that. Click on the subscribe button. Now look below the video, you see the subscribe sign there. Click it. Then after clicking, there will appear a bell icon. Click on the bell icon. Okay? So that you'll be updated on uploads on different topics, advices, telling you about Waec and the rest. Okay? So this basically is to help you. So please do well to subscribe. Okay. So let's go on to what I have today. Now, there has been many thoughts and rumors about if Waec will be coming this year, 2020. Okay, it's very, very, very important to know this. Don't shy away from it. Waec will be rating this year. Waec will be rating this year. They are making all efforts so that students will be able to write their exams this year. Now, there's something I want to tell you about mathematics. There's something that particular topics that would benefit you if you know them more before going to the examination hall. Okay. Now, Waec is a body over the years that have brought out so many questions. Now, even after all those hundreds of questions, you can pinpoint some topics that are very, very significant, that are more important to Waec than the others. Okay, like from the previous two videos that I did, which was part 1 indices, how to solve indices, part 2 how to solve indices. If you do not watch that, do it to watch it to help you a lot. Now, Waec hardly or most times do not bring indices question on that theory. You will see them under the objective question, not even much. But there are some certain topics over the years that Waec would always bring out. And if you know this topic beforehand, it will help you a lot of the time. Now, one of those topics is under what we call algebraic process. Okay, it's a topic under algebraic process. So when I say algebraic process, it's very simple. Algebraic process. Now, whenever you hear the word algebraic, it talks about expressions, it talks about equations, okay? It talks about equations basically and expressions. Now, we all know that expression is like a general thing, but for equations, you have different equations. You have linear equations, okay? Talking about equations now. We have linear equations. Then again we have quadratic equation. Then we have simultaneous. Now, this topic would always, if not every year, come out. Now, the one that's so even much more popular and very, very important for you to do is quadratic equation. Now, under this quadratic equation, there are 3 methods of solving, if not 4. Let's say 4. There are 4 methods of solving quadratic equation, right? We have factorization method. We have completing the square method. We have the almighty formula, okay? For those of us say we should not be calling the almighty formula, okay? The general formula, kind of, prefer that word. Then we have the graphical method of solving quadratic equation. Now, the ones that are so very, very popular, are so important that it seems as if that particular way of solving quadratic equation is so important to Waec that they bring it almost 40 years, is solving quadratic equation using graphical method. Now, I can say that to that particular question always carry 12 marks most of the time. 12 marks. Okay? 12 marks. Now, I know that getting your values and everything, the graph, just by drawing the graph alone, you will get 6 marks from this particular question. From just solving the quadratic equation using graphical method. Okay? So let me write it down. Solving quadratic equation. Using graphical method. Okay? Now, it is very important for you to know this. Very important. It's one topic you should know. Okay? It's one topic you should know. Now, after this video, I'll be doing another video. We should be teaching solution to quadratic equations with graphical method. Okay? Now, although factorization method is quite popular to some extent, but most times they don't bring quadratic equation for you to use factorization method to solve it. You would only solve quadratic equation most times through indices. When you are now moving further from the part 1 and part 2 of indices I taught, you will now be applying, there's an essence to solve indices too. Then you now have to use quadratic equation to get your number, to get your value, looking for s. Okay? So if I have something like this now, for example, if I have something like 5 raised to power x plus 2 times 5 raised to power 3x plus 10. Now this is not a typical question now, this is an example. So the next thing that you need to do, this question now is under indices. You just say let 5 raised by x equals to p. Now you'll be getting the quadratic equation. Here it might just be maybe 2x probably. So you now rearrange this part to make it look like this. Then if I should substitute for this now, I'll do something like p squared equals to, plus 2 times, this one is p raised to power 3 now, plus 10. Now this is not a typical question, okay? This is just an example. This is just an example of what you can see. Alright. Now that's one question that is very important for me to study now. That's very important. That Waec will be coming back for us to write. Okay. Now another one that is very important. Right? Simultaneous equation. It's either you are using substitution method or addition and subtraction. Okay? Addition and subtraction. Okay. So now, most times substitution method is very, very tedious. I would prefer you learn the addition and subtraction method. It's very easy. Okay? All you just need to do, know how to manipulate the numbers and just solve and get the answer. Now, this is for algebraic process. Another one that normally comes out a lot is construction. And I can say that construction is actually one of the most easiest topics. It's like a giveaway. To me, I think it's a giveaway because you are given instructions on what to do. Basically, all you need to do for construction, all you need to do is know how to construct your angles, know how to construct 30, 45, 90, 45, 75, so on and so forth. Just know how to construct everything. That's you are set for Waec construction. The highest I can tell you to do is construct maybe a parallelogram, or maybe a trapezium, or maybe a rhombus. How do you construct it? It's through angles. It's through angles. I'll try my best to do a video on construction. Okay, we'll do a conclusive video on construction. Okay, so that you can work with that before my hair comes out. All right. So those are two topics I know year after year comes out a lot. Now, if I should go further, Waec is divided. Normally, Waec divides their theory part into. Now, I actually base my talk around theory part. Most times, the theory part is actually the goal of contention, because the examiner wants to see what you will write or what has been written down by you. So there is no, you can't just guess A, B, or C, or D. Okay? But for the objective, you could do something, right? You could just at least maybe struggle your way through. But for theory, you have to write something down. I will have to look for something. If I'm an examiner, I have to look for something for me to be able to mark your paper. Okay? Now, after these two topics, Waec is basically divided into two parts. The theory part is divided into two parts: section A, section B. Okay? Now, in section A, you have maybe 5 questions to answer all. Then the other part is quite optional. And then you have the parts for Ghana and the rest. They have the other ones for Nigeria and Gambia. Now, the first part most times tends to take topics from SS1. Okay? Tends to take topics from SS1. And those topics, most of the times, they will bring are quite easy. Now, there is a high tendency for Waec to be bringing measuration in the first part. Take note. Measuration, when I say measuration, I mean calculating for areas, circle, perimeter, let's say area of a circle, okay, area of maybe a chord, or rather, sorry, not area, length of a chord, okay, length of the chord, volume of a frost screw. Okay, this one actually comes out. So you will be seeing, when I say measuration, this kind of calculations under the part 1. Then you see some easy indices questions. Go back to those videos I did for indices and get the knowledge, everything I need there. I stated it in the video. Okay, so that's that. Now, the second part mostly carries the simultaneous equation. The second part, which is the part B, carries a lot of algebraic questions, then construction. Another topic that is very, very, very familiar with Waec is angle of elevation and depression. Now, it's under trigonometry. But Waec will not just set a particular question, like they will not tell you look for angle 60. They won't tell you that. Or this is this. If angle 30 can be gotten from something, they look for angle 60. No, they will not put the question like that. What they normally do is they will put it in the form of angle of elevation and depression. So it is the application of trigonometry. Take note, it is the application of trigonometry. You are going to see it a lot of the time. So then you now be drawing, then you can be seeing triangle like this. From that, because you have to visualize the concept. Maybe they told you Shukudi raised up his head to look at a plane with his head tilted at an angle 30. okay, to look at the plane flying at an altitude or at an height of maybe 1,000 meters. So you have to first of all picture how she would react. His posture definitely would be like this, okay? So now on a normal day, his plane sight is plane of sight is like this, straight, okay? It's straight, like this, straight like this. Once it tilts his head upward, his sight, plane of sight goes up, so it goes like this, okay? So the angle it makes with the horizontal becomes the 30 degrees. So here, the complete here becomes the height of Shukudi's height to the plane, right? Now, there are some questions that will include Shukudi's height from his foot to the height, but it did not include it. That one is very easy. So that when they include it, you have to draw it here right now. Okay? So this might not be Shukudi's height. Let's use CH, Shukudi's height. Okay? To represent it. So you have to draw out this diagram. You have to draw out the diagram to be able to apply trigonometry ratios. Okay? You're going to apply trigonometry ratios. Very good. Now, these are you see the function. You don't be seeing them telling you to calculate for angle x. They will tell you what is the height of the plane. Now, this let us play the plane or something. The height of the plane from the foot of Shukudi or from Shukudi's line of sight or something. So these are you are going to see them. Then another topic that's very paramount you need to know. Now, how many topics have I talked about now? Talked about equations, the right process equation. Particularly quadratic equation and simultaneous equation. Very hard to bring linear equation because nobody wants to do it. It's too simple. Okay? Now this quadratic equation, particularly using graphical method, is very popular. One that is very is not that popular is using completing the square method. They hardly bring it. They will hardly tell you to use completing the square method. There is simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation, you get few of the simpler one in the A part, then the one that are more complex in the B part. Now, I also talked about okay. Now, I think I've talked about this trigonometry now. Alright, and I talked about majoration, angles, which is looking for the length of the chord, calculating the area of a circle, of a semicircle, of an hemisphere. So they might just give you a shape. Sometimes I give a shape like this. They might just give you a shape to calculate the total area. Now, if you have something like this, you just give it like this. You draw it like this, then close up here, and then draw like this. So first of all, you have to identify this shape and this shape, okay? So they might just give you the this is center to this point, or let's assume this is center to this point, and not say this radius. They can give you the length. So you have to identify this shape. Look from here, look from here, that's the area. Okay, that's for that. Now let me move on to something else. Probability. Probability is very popular. They bring at least one portion of probability. At least one portion of probability. At least one portion of probability. Okay? So do it to read that up. I'll take my time to just go through the topic that I'm listing in this video. Alright? I'm going to do each as the way I listed them. I'm going to take at least 1-2 questions to illustrate the way I will set how they set their question, what to expect, and how to solve them. Then, I said probability the last topic. Now, the next topic is statistics. And kind of statistical question they bring most of the times. They will bring cumulative frequency. They bring cumulative frequency. Okay, cumulative frequency. That's what you bring now. Now, so it means the data that will give you is not a grouped data per se. It's an ungrouped data. Okay, so they might give you an ungrouped data for you to list it out on a table. So when you are done, you solve for maybe a percentile, mean, which one again now, quotile, and all that. So do well to read up these topics. They are very, very, if you can know these particular set of topics I have just listed, I don't see any reason why you should make mathematics Waec for particularly mathematics subjects. Okay, so I'll be ending this video here. So let me just give you general advice. I'll be ending the video here now. I don't want it to be too long. So this video is just particularly for advice. Waec students, okay? Now these topics I listed, they are not just as per 2020. It goes on. Even if you are watching this video in 2021, 2022, 2023, although it will be updated subsequently, these questions, these topics, they stand. They will continue coming out. Because why I prefer some topic, they see that these topics are more challenging compared to other topics. So they will bring out, because they want to test you if you actually know what you've been taught throughout your SS1 period, SS2 and SS3. To test you with these solid topics. Okay? So now don't forget, before I cut this video, before I move out of this video, before I start this video, I said from the beginning that the purpose for this video is to give you advice on how to read the Waec, right? To know the topics that you need to deal with, to know the topic that you ought to be reading now. Okay? So if you are preparing for Waec, there are some topics you are supposed to deal with first. When you know those topics, when you are done with those topics, when you are very good in those topics, you can move on to other topics and you make your B and your A. Okay? So don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Click it. As you are watching it now, subscribe. Okay? It will not take anything from you, right? It will actually help you. Subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload more and more and more. Thank you very much.